a lot is happening. But thank you guys so much. I'm so glad, we got to see you po kaya Sunny dito again. Thank you po sa pag-suporta sa aming Talpot. And you guys know how much I love my members so much. So, yeah, it's really deep down, you guys. Grabe. And the ghost of Kayla's past.
What?
What does that mean? Anyways, thinking of you. Oh, you're making me laugh right now, guys. That song is haunted. Thinking of you like you.
Sam, patingin naman.
Hi, kinabang di mga ka shout out again po. God bless po and take care.
Sam, patingin naman.
And hi po kay
Ni
Jason.
Kila.
Good evening. Kay John Vic Laurel from Tagaytay. Baka kasi naiyak pag di na shout out. Ay guys, baka ako yung umiyak.
Ni Kila.
Shout out po sa inyo kay John Vic Laurel from Tagaytay. I miss Tagaytay guys and I miss skating there. Oh my god, I miss Rio Heat and Aya so much guys. Me and Baba Kayla miss them so much.
I asked you, he said it's so busy.
I know. Next month pa. It's okay guys. I'm so glad grabe, they're so successful guys. I'm so proud of them. And I hope magtuloy-tuloy pa talaga sa kanila. And kaya Marjon Sumapig, shoutout pa sa inyo. Lakas talaga rating ng tomboy. Ay. Sige. Thank you po kay Wally Johnson for the 10 stars. Thank you so much for the support po. I really, really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. I love you guys so much. Thank you for happy birthday. Happy birthday sa kanya. And my week has been going really good, but stuff just happened and I'm so sad, guys. You know what? I'm also happy because I'm spending time with you guys right now. But I'm doing great. And thank you so much, Kuya Jen, for the 100 stars. Love you so much, Kuya Jen, and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, Kuya Jen. Exactly. Just a friendly reminder. No, Sam, Kayla, friends only like it the doors that way. Oh, don't like it the doors that way. Honestly, exactly. Thank you guys so much. Again, I really appreciate all my wholesome, very loving, supportive fans out there. You know what I mean? So just really ignore it and really don't interview because we're just not. You know what I mean? And exactly, keep the peace. Bro, oh my god. Anyways, I can be like some fanboy channel po from Iloilo City. God bless po and take care sa inyo. Kala mo si Caprice, pero sa bawat.
May joke para ako sa'yo.
Caprice kayo talaga, guys. Of course I do.
May joke pa sana para sa'yo.
Nagkasaan pa kayo? Ikaw, Mars. When Kayla lifted from the blanket when you said she was beside you, you said ghost of Kayla's past. Oh. Get it?
No.
Have you been to India? Guys, we love to. We would love to go to India. India. Yeah. Visit all,
I'd love to go to Mumbai.
Yeah. Hey, I think our idol lives there.
Oh yeah, that's why we love Mumbai. I really want to be there.
I know.
They're so cool
I
though.
know they are so cool,
We're
bro.
gonna name drop them because they're so niche.
Yeah, they're so
You guys probably don't know.
Oh, thank you po. Shout out po kay Jeros from Cavite City. God bless po and take care. And of course po, anytime po kay Gamel Aguilar. Thank you sa picture sa SM Mega Mall. Of course po. And, ayan, hello kay Outer Dawang. Shout out po sa Gino. Thank you so much for support nyo. Love you. Thank you po. And,
Panotice naman. Pa-shoutout na pala. From Bacolod. Taytong.
I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hi po kay Ida Jade. Shout out po sa inyo. God bless po and take care. Being much used to getting those type of comments. Yeah, I'm very used to it, honestly. I mean, it sucks, yeah. But we can't really control those kind of people, so I don't know about it, guys. Anyways, Bel Mariana, thank you po. Ito, guys, biggest, sweetest, nicest super nakakilig compliment ever. Thank you guys so much.
Ang dami naman gumagamit sa TikTok mo. Sam.
Okay, let's see.
Sa'yo ba yun lahat?
Wala po ako sa picture earlier, guys, but nag-shoot po. Nag-shoot po ako ulit. And shoutout sa mga ate kong miss ko na hindi ako nakapagana, guys. Kumakain ka ba ng pakot? Ano ba yung maasim-asim?
Yeah.
Talaga ako ng That's an inside joke, by the way, guys. She, hi, Kit Title. Shoutout po yan, DJ Arlie. Hello! Kato naman, guys. So, it's okay.
Kumakain ka ng pansit palabok.
As long as I get to chat with you guys, and I don't want you guys to think that I'm just like, like a random girl on the screen. Of course, I want to have friends, actually communicate with you guys. You guys are like my community, so I love you guys so much. And yeah. Anyways, hi Joy Brown, hi Pointy Kenneth, and shout out Pointy Josemito Latino. God bless us. Take care. Okay, thank you so much for the 100 stars, Glenn Sander. Thank you so much. Love you so much, Glenn. Thank you for your support. Do you have any behind the scenes stories from the Dyson event or Kayla's birthday shakies? Or Kayla's birthday party at Shakey's? Was the Shakey's party just for Kayla, or was it part of the Dyson event? It was obviously for Kayla, but also, like to celebrate all her fans who are very much super supporting her. You know what I mean? Like Irene and everybody. So like all these fans who really just like really stayed sa Dyson event, and all these super avid nice fans stayed and everything. So yes. So yes, and we all just ate, we all just ate, had fun, and celebrated Baba Kayla's birthday. And guys, she did not just have one, two, but three birthday greetings that day. So happy, and we had so much fun, guys. And guys, it was the last day of Mo Brown Butter Cookies. I think everything was just so destined, you guys. Oh, my teeth is calling. Everything was just so destined. So I'm so happy. And oh my gosh, who said this? Thank you so much. Thank you, Niall, bro. Thank you so much, Niall. Okay, I didn't even see these. Thank you guys so much. Thank you now for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huge, and I can't believe I just got 6,000 stars right off the bat from you, Niall. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful right now. Thank you again. That just seriously made my whole night. I am so happy right now. Thank you so much, Niall. Thank you. Again, we all go through really hard times. So what was that? Again, we all go through very